Hi everyone, welcome back to RAAS. Today I'm going to show you how to store and preserve your occasion wear. First thing you're going to need is a high quality bag. You want to invest in some cotton storage bags. Plastic doesn't allow airflow and it's really important to let that through. So we have these high quality bags. They prevent dust, moisture, and sunlight to get through. Sunlight can sometimes fade some of the colors in your fabric, so you want to make sure those are preserved. The thing you're going to need is some tissue paper. The tissue paper is for your more embellished garments. They help from snagging and from any other bits of the embellishment from coming off. Now we have this piece here. You want to make sure that you fold on different lines each time when you're putting it inside of the bag. This prevents lines becoming permanent on fabrics like silk or brocade. Now I'm going to start folding it. We'll take it off the hanger. Now we have our occasion wear folded and protected in our cotton bag. Just to recap, we want to make sure that we keep it in a cool, dry place. Extreme temperature change can weaken the fabric, so you want to make sure that it's stored with no moisture or sunlight. We've got our tissue paper and our cotton bag, and we're all good to go. This is going to protect our clothing and make sure that it looks just as stunning as the day that we bought it. Keep it looking good for years to come. So if you want to wear it, make sure you pull it out the night before or a couple hours before your event. Make sure you put it on a hanger, let it breathe for a little bit, and give it a nice steam. If you have any other questions on how to steam it, we've got a video on our channel, so make sure you check that out too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any more questions, please let us know.